Do you suffer from carpal tunnel because you play too many games? Well then this is probably the keyboard for you. While I speedrun the unboxing, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this keyboard. This is the Keycaps Q10. Also, I am building it for my aunt because she said her wrist hurt from typing all day, and I was like, wow, that's crazy. I build custom keyboards that are meant to be ergonomic. So yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Nice.
Hopefully nothing goes wrong. I'm gonna eat my words. They actually have a lot of lube on them, which would be good if it actually worked. They have a crap ton of lube on them. Boy, it does nothing. Zero, still super rattling. I decided to re-lube the stabilizers with some Krytox 205 grade 0 and some dielectric grease. But one thing that got on my nerves was the amount of lube that was on the stabilizer. Because there was about 2 pounds of lube on the wire, it was impossible not to touch any of it. Bro, why does there have to be so much lube on it?
2,000 years later.
Okay, I finished. But my hands are extremely lubey. And they feel disgusting, so I'm gonna wash my hands. I also took out all the foam because I wanted to make it pretty clacky and a softer sounding board. That hurt my soul. But you know what's funny? I put the tape back and the foam back, and also added calm balls because I didn't like how it sounded. For the switches, I'm using the cream yellows from Echo, and I hand lube them when they really don't need to be, and I wasted 4 hours of my life. I'm using the unicorn keycaps from Keycaps, and on their website they say not compatible with the Q10, which should have been a very large warning, but I ignored it because I thought the only thing that would not be compatible would be the macro keys on the left side of the keyboard. But I forgot to take account of the spacebar. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. This keycap set doesn't have a 2U spacebar, and I need a 2U spacebar. I thought I would need to use the stock keycaps, but then I had a genius idea. Oh my gosh, I have a genius idea, and I think I might save it. I have another keycap set, I think, with a white spacebar that I can use that might have 2U. So I'm gonna go check right now.
2,000 years later.
It has a 2U spacebar. Okay, yes, it may look a little scuffed, but it's not that bad.